Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Yesterday in one of my classes we got talking about the concept of cancel culture, and there was much discussion about whether J.K. Rowling, the author of the Harry Potter series, was actually being cancelled at the moment, or whether she was just facing criticism from people who find her opinions about trans people objectionable. One of my students said that the thing that she most disliked about the whole area was witnessing online pile-ons, where someone starts by criticising something someone has said on the internet, and then before you know it, thousands and thousands of people have joined in, and everyone's saying ever more horrible things about the original tweet or the person who made the original comment. On social media, a pile-on basically occurs when lots of people join in and start criticising a person or a thing, often in an unfair kind of way. It becomes a sort of form of online bullying. I guess the idea of piling on, it can be a verb as well, by the way, comes from maybe when you're at school. It's when maybe one person lies on top of another person and then a whole load of extra people pile on. They pile on top and you have a sort of pile of people all crushing down on the person at the bottom. You sometimes see it when footballers score a goal as well. Maybe one of them lies on the ground to celebrate and all the other players pile on top. Generally though, these days, particularly as a noun, it's used to talk about social media. So you might see things like, after the first couple of negative reviews, all the other critics joined the pile-on and started gleefully slagging off the play or the book or the film. And I guess for all of us, we live with this ever-present threat of a social media pile-on, and it tends to maybe make us a bit more careful about what we say and write and post. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use pile-on